Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Fluxer on mobile. So guys, based on my research, currently there are no mobile application yet available based on the Fluxer. And guys, because there is no native mobile app yet, you cannot use it directly via an app store download. So for this video, I'm gonna go for the Chrome. So guys, Fluxer is really made for desktop, but of course, if somehow you need to use it on your phone, you could just simply go ahead and search for Fluxer in your Google Chrome, and you will have here Fluxer.app, and you could still use it over here. Now, if it doesn't work like this, you could just simply select three dots on the top right corner, and you could just simply scroll down and select desktop site. And now, as you can see, when we go for the desktop site, you should be able to select open in browser over here at the middle. And now from here, you would just simply go ahead and of course log in into your account to use the Fluxer. And guys, sometimes it will ask you for some verification. So you have to just simply verify it. They will send you an email, and pretty much from here you should be able to use the Fluxer. And from here, as you can see, when we go for the desktop site and remove the desktop site into our option, as you can see, you will have an option install Fluxer and select install over here. Now, once you have the app installed, as you can see over here, and pretty much over here, you should be able to download the Fluxer into your mobile. As you can see, and you should be able to utilize the app like the Fluxer you have on your desktop. And pretty much the only way you could do this is by going for the web browser.